All you vertically challenged individuals like me, 5'7", you got a Harley Davidson touring bike. A little hard to touch the ground sometimes, you know, maybe on your tippy toes or whatever. I got a solution for you. Advanblack Lowering Blocks for the rear suspension. I ordered them, $100. Okay. I ordered mine off Amazon. I did an order, so a link in the description below. So if you need to do an Amazon order, you can order them from there, or you can order them from Advanblack. But I ordered from Amazon, so the link will be there. I did this video once already. I did an unboxing. I did an install video, but guess what? Somehow all that footage got lost. Got deleted off my computer. It was on the computer. Somebody deleted it. Probably me. Don't know how though. So I cannot show you the unboxing. I cannot show you how to install, but I can go over the install. All right. I'll put a picture of what it actually looks like, the product looks like, right here. Let me flip the camera around and go over how to install this, okay? First off, you gotta take off your saddlebags, all right, both sides. I'm only gonna show you the right side because, you know, whatever. But you gotta take your saddlebags off, and everybody knows how to take your saddlebags off. You don't have to put this up on a lift or anything, but I suggest putting it up on the lift because you will have to raise and lower your swing arm to get the shock on, or, okay? And on and off. You don't want to take the bolt out because there is a little bit of tension. So you'll want to relieve the tension so you don't strip out the bolt. All right, so originally my shock was here. All right? So you take your bolt out. You loosen up this one a little bit and you take your bottom bolt out. All right, and your shock comes off. Move your shock out of the way. Then you have, this is my lowering block right here. Okay? Advanblack. Okay? And when you get them, they'll say left and right, so you'll know which way. They can only go on one way. So you take your shock off and your bolt. You set your bolt aside because you're going to reuse it. Then you put your lowering block on, and it can only go on one way. Then they give you a new bolt with a washer and a lock washer, and you bolt it through there. Don't remember the torque specs offhand, but put it right on the screen. Okay? Torque that down. Okay, then you move your shock to this hole, all right, and then you put your original bolt with the original washer and the original bolt in there, and you torque that down. And I don't know the torque specs for that, but put it right on the screen, okay? And that's it, and you do it for both sides. Easy peasy, and then you put your saddlebag back on, okay? I am 5'7", so I could touch the ground on the bike, but I was on the balls of my feet, and I was a little uncomfortable a little bit, especially with my wife on the back and with her on her. So I got these, and now I'll show you what it looks like with my feet on the ground. Now, like I said before, my feet were right here. Okay, I was on the balls of my feet. Now my feet are flat-footed. I can actually stand up a little bit. I'm not off the seat, but I am flat-footed now. Before I was on the balls, now I'm flat-footed, and I can move them out a little bit more, and I feel more stable. Like I said, it wasn't an issue for when I was riding solo. It was more of an issue when I had my wife on the back and me being a little bit unconfident of holding the bike up, you know, on hills and stuff like that. I'm more comfortable now, more confident, okay? Flat-footed now. Okay, that's my video about the Advanblack Lowering Block for my 2021 Harley Davidson Road Glide Limited. All right, the Road Glide Limited is I think it's like an inch and a half taller than the regular Road Glide Special. I think, pretty much. But anyway, I needed to just drop it down a little bit. I was on the balls of my feet. Now I'm flat-footed. I feel more confident now. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Some people say it lowers too much and you could hit in corners. I don't know if that's on the specials, because I'm definitely not hitting nothing, scraping nothing on this in corners. You all know me. I'm not a knee dragger, knee scraper. So I do not see any difference in handling with the lowering blocks. I actually like it. So anyway, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified of when new videos come out. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. What do you think? And like I said, link will be in the description below. I got them from Amazon. Same price as on Amazon as also with the Advanblack. But I was doing an order, Amazon order. It was easier for me to all buy it in one shot there. So link, it's an Amazon link. No extra cost to you, but I will receive a small commission if you use the link below. Anyway, that's my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.